So, I wasn't actually planning on doing a Play-Doh video this week. I was going to do another cooking related one. However, then I got a phone call from my husband Clint, who said he's doing some work at a teacher's house and that teacher didn't know how to make Play-Doh. Oh my goodness, you are kidding. Everyone has to know how to make Play-Doh, especially during the school holidays. So without Clint here to be a cameraman, I'll show how easy it is by getting the kids to make it. So, enjoy.
Right, so today we're going to be making Play-Doh. We're doing 3 colours: blue, yellow and red. The ingredients... pink. No, it's red, Aston. Red. This is Aston and Sam. The ingredients we need are 4 cups of flour, 1 cup of warm water, 2 tablespoons of oil and 1.5 cups of salt. So, as we're making 3 different colours, we need 3 bowls. Okay. We put in the warm water first. We're doing a third each, as this is 1 cup. And try not to spill it. You put a few 2 drops of food colouring in each. I am doing the blue food colouring. Now the water is green, as you can clearly see. It makes good rainbow water too, actually. The water is now brownish.
You don't have to say what the colour of the water is.
It's just interesting.
It isn't really to adults. You made it to oil.
Now, we put the 2 tablespoons of oil in and just strain it. We're trying to make sure.
Just pour it over the towel.
Skin it up.
Just in case. Not the trust is not there, but you know.
That the crust is not here. Then
Want to divide up 2 tablespoons reasonably evenly.
now we need to put the flour and salt into here. Okay? Now, 4 cups of flour.
Flour. There it is.
2 of these each. 2 of these and 1 of these each.
So what's that? 2 half cups and 1/3 cup each, is it?
Yeah.
Just because I can't find my 1 metric cup measure.
And don't deposit the leftovers on my knee again, Sam. I think we need to mix the flour and salt now. You don't need to mix it with this. But, well, that's just the way you roll, I guess.
What's this?
That's just the way some people roll.
What's this?
No. It's all mixed up now.
You're looking at the wee dust particles, Aston.
What's like that?
Just the way the sun's shining.
Put the dry ingredients into the wheat.
So just try and very gently, because we don't want to slop food colouring everywhere. So just very gently divvy it up. It doesn't have to be exact.
We've mixed it a bit. Now it's doughy-ish, so we can start mixing with our hands. Just keep smushing. Add more flour or water, maybe more a drop more food colouring if it looks a bit pale. It's turned out brilliant! Make sure that when it's not in use, you keep it shut in a snap lock bag or cling film.
I'm clever.
Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.